Your eyes are not deceiving you. I am coming back with another video. I know it's been so long. I feel like I say this at the beginning of all of my videos now, but at this point, honestly, I'm embracing it. It is what it is until we get it all together. It is a learning process and we're here. So this is going to be a inventory video. This is my second one. If you haven't seen the first one, please check the link in the description and you can find our first video. So like I said in the first video, I did start a business, Gcurlz, and by the grace of God, we have been growing. I literally got an order while I was talking to you guys. I'm not even capping. See? Listen, I am so hyped right now because I was like, oh my gosh, I only have 5 orders to pack. And now I just got another one. So, your girl is hyped. So yes, I started a business and by the grace of God, it has been growing. It has been doing its thing. Sometimes like it's a little disappointing depending on how many orders I get a day or a week. But regardless, I am one step further to my goal than I was when I didn't start my business. So progress is process. Progress is progress and we have a growth mindset on this channel. So it is a learning experience, but I'm actually enjoying the ride. So without any further, rumbling, talking, chatting, let's get into the video. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is this printer. So I know you've probably seen the TikTok where people get a free printer from UPS. It's actually not free anymore. It is now $3 a week. But I followed the steps and I was able to get my own printer. I'm going to hook it up and set it up so I can start using it. I did make my own TikTok where I was a little more specific because there was a few details that 99% of the videos left out. So I made sure I included it in my video. So if you want to see it, check out our Instagram, Gcurlz, 2 underscores at the end, or our TikTok, which is also Gcurlz. I will link it down as well. I also ordered a lot of inventory because I did run super low on my stock. So I ordered and a few of them came, so I'm gonna unbox those. Everything else should be coming throughout this week and next week. So I'm not sure when this video will be up because I want to put everything in one video. But let's open this one right now. Shout out to all the Etsy stores. Like, Etsy has been one of my best friends since I started my business. I feel like they literally have everything on Etsy. So, boom, this is the first thing. Ooh. Let me put this down. Let me not play myself. So we have castor oil, golden jojoba oil. Jojoba is a big ingredient in literally all of my products. And then we have grapeseed oil. Oh, I thought it was leaking. Then we have grapeseed oil. This is also a major staple and I had to restock. I do have to find a vendor that offers these oils in bulk because these gallons I run out fairly quickly, so I need to find a new vendor. But until I do, Etsy will definitely be my go-to. Shout out to all the small businesses on Etsy. You guys are doing your thing. All right, and the next thing I also have a cold, so if not Rona, I also have a cold. So if you hear me clear my throat, coughing, whatever, y'all know what it's from. So this is, the next box had our avocado oil. I have something super exciting for the holidays. So this is going to be a major part of it. So I'm super excited for this. And that's actually all of the things that came in today anyways. This box is what the zebra printer came in from UPS. So that's all that came in today. I will have another clip when everything else comes in, but I'm super excited. Super duper excited. I will see you guys in the next clip. So this is the second day of getting inventory. So I have a few packages in front of me that I'm going to unbox, and I still have a whole bunch of packages that I'm still missing, but we're gonna film as they come in. So this right here, I feel like this feels like some type of butter. Has to be the cocoa butter, because this smells like, yep, smells like chocolate. Smells like a lot of chocolate. This is so strong, but this is going to be perfect for one of the products that I have in mind. Yo, y'all need to wait for my Black Friday sale. Wait for my Black Friday sale. Right now, well, by the time this goes up, the sale will probably be, well, actually, no, it will be done, but we just had our Halloween sale. It's ending literally today, because today's Halloween, at 11:59. These are some of the orders that I have to ship from that sale. Orders go out on like a daily basis. All right, let me open the next package. This sounds like some type of oil. And I keep saying this, I need to find a new site where I can buy my oils in bulk. I tried both apothecary, and they usually are sold out of the oils that I'm looking for. So I have to keep like stalking their website. I don't know why, but I feel like I can't talk today. I have to keep stalking their website so I can find what I actually want. Oh, this person wasn't playing. They weren't playing, because they definitely backed this baby up twice. I hear you though. Making sure your customers get their product. The third bag, and I'm still not to the product, but I get it, you know, making sure your customer get the product safely. I'm not mad at it. This is black seed oil. It's crazy because I didn't think I ordered this. Wow. Anyways, this is black seed oil. This has been a staple in my liquid inches hair growth oil. If you haven't tried it out yet, the link will be in the description box down below. And this last thing, I want to say it's the shea butter. I want to say this is shea butter because this is pretty heavy, and I know this time I ordered a lot more shea butter than I normally do. All right, boom. So we have not one, but it's two. We have two big, heavy shea butters. Super excited for these also. Now, like I said, this is only part of the inventory. I have so much more inventory coming in, and I feel like I'm a low-key outgrowing my room, but at the same time, I don't want to do anything hasty. So I just have to find a way to store everything, but be on the lookout for that. Once I figure it out, I'll let you guys know. But this is all the inventory that came in today. I'm still missing so much more stuff. So I will see you guys on, I guess, day 3 of when I get more inventory. Part 3, day 3 of inventory. And it's crazy because this is still not everything, but I'm gonna make this a last day of the video, and when more inventory come, I'll just make another part. So we're just gonna hop right in. I got another package from Etsy. Sidebar, as each day passed, I feel like I start to look more bust down on this video. let's hop right into it. Again, all of this is coming from Etsy. If you want the specific shop to an item, just let me know. So the first thing we have here is some xanthan gum powder. I am experimenting with this for a product that I have in mind. And shout out to my hair, because I've been experimenting a lot on it, and whew, ciao. The next thing we have these people on Etsy, they are not playing. My phone definitely turned off, so I'm not sure where we left off. But the next thing that I have is some vegetable glycerin. So this is going to be a part of products that I'll be releasing for Black Friday. Super excited about that. And we have 2 more oils. Oops. And we have 2 more oils in this order. All right, we have some unrefined argan oil. These always look so much bigger, or the quantity always sounds so much bigger on the website, and when you get it, it's just like, wow, this is mad small. Next, we have some hemp oil. Excited for that. And our last box for this unboxing, because I'm not gonna drag it out any further, I promise. Of course, it's more oils. So we have some sesame oil. And neem oil. I'm super excited for this baby right here. Super duper excited. So some neem oil. Whew. And that is all for today's unboxing, and I'm going to end the video here because I feel like 3 days of unboxing is more than enough. Everything else that's coming the end of this week and early next week will be in a separate video. All right guys, so I'm going to wrap the video up here. Thank you so much if you made it to the end of the video. Leave a strong arm emoji if you made it to the end of the video so I know you are a real one. Definitely follow me on my socials. I am way more active there. I literally post every day or every 2 days on my socials. I'll leave them right here. Follow me on my socials, and definitely go support Gcurlz. It is www.gcurlz.com. Cop some hair oils, some hair butters. Fellas, we have stuff for you there too. And wait until our Black Friday sale. I'm going to be dropping some goodies that I'm super excited about. So, you know, very exciting. Very, very exciting. So I'll definitely see you guys in the next video, whenever that is.